you're still trying to catch reversals, that's why you're struggling. Today, I'm showing you the exact trend continuation model that helps you catch 100 plus pips moves consistently using pure price action. Welcome back to Forex, where we trade with a trend, not against it. In this video, I shall break down one clean setup step by step so you can start identifying high probability trend continuations immediately. So today we are looking at a gold chart. We are trading in the New York session, and I'm doing this analysis on the 1 minute chart. So I'm going to first identify my zones of resistance. That is our resistance. We are having our support zone around there. We have another zone of resistance, and we are having a support zone there. We have this strong impulsive move of the sellers to the downside, giving us another strong move to the downside. So these two are showing us the build up of a downtrend. So after this impulsive move and this one here, we are getting a pullback at this zone here. Okay, so here we are having the structure of a downtrend. We are having the lower highs, and then the lower lows. So you're seeing that the market is respecting the structure of a downtrend. We have this, and this. So we are already seeing the structure of a downtrend. So we're not going to be looking at reversals, maybe looking for buys. No, we are going to be following a trend. We are going to be following this downtrend. So we're having this pullback here, retesting previous zones of resistance, which is here, and then we are having a retest at this zone here. So this one is giving us our area of confluence. So this is where our entries are coming from. So here we can easily take our sell at this point here. Then the stop loss is always above the area of confluence, because after getting our confirmations of this zone here, we're not expecting any more sellers above this zone here. Okay, so that's why we are putting our stop loss above here. Then for the take profit, you're going to look left. When you look left, you're going to look for previous zones of support as you take profit. So we shall take that as our take profit. Then drag downwards. So such a beautiful trade. If you love trading with a trend, such setups will always happen continuously every day. If you've loved the video, please subscribe and follow for more. See you in the next one.